Okay, I'm back. All right, I got some time here to do a little bit more testing. I wanted to kind of do a little bit of settlement development, but I need to go ahead and get this done first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically combine the first two videos and show uh, the same thing back to back, and how simply loading that, getting close enough to load that cell or whatever, however that game engine works, which I'm not that familiar with. The concepts, yes. The actual code, no. Um, so I just loaded this game. I just started the game, so the game loaded from scratch. It's a dry load, so nothing should be in memory. Nothing is retained. So if it crashes, hopefully it'll crash going over the Sanctuary Bridge, and it will coincide with maybe that disappearing. Whenever I fast travel back to Sanctuary and it reloads the Sanctuary cell around from the workbench, the COC center on cell from the workbench out, it will do the same thing if I don't get close enough to load that cell. If that's what the issue is, that's what I'm thinking it is. So let's see if she crashes here, because normally it'll crash when I'm bolting across the bridge. There was a quick lag, you didn't see it, and then there it disappears. Okay, so you can see that. You can clearly see that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to load that exact same game save up. Let me locate it here. Okay, this is the game save, and this time we're going to get close enough to it and then go over the bridge and show you that those meshes textures are now persistent. I was thinking if it was previs, it should flicker on and off depending on the angle, which it doesn't. But still, it could be a combination of one of those things. For some reason, the game engine doesn't flag that data as, I guess, needing to be persistent. That would be my next guess. Okay, so, and why that particular data, I don't know. Okay, so this time, again, you can see where the same game save was loaded up, but this time we're going to go and get closer, not up on it, but we're going to get closer to whatever that UPC or APC, whatever that vehicle is. So we're going to go almost to the bridge here, and then we're going to go this way.
Hi.
And back over the bridge to show you, because see, it looks like it has to do with how it loads LOD. It looks like, which might explain why there's a problem with, over there in the quarry. I can't remember the quarry, where the raider guy, I can't even think of the boss's name, but where it's full of water, and he wants you to, like, clear it all out, and then they try to take it over. I believe it's that one, for some reason it doesn't load. There's a distance issue or something. Now that seems to me like it's an engine problem. Alright, so see, it's persistent now. So see, there you go. So see that APC one, I got close enough to load, that is persistent. If I do not get close enough to it, it will always disappear when I go over this bridge right about, I think, in here. And this happens, this is true whenever I have to load a cell. So, or let me rephrase that. So when I fast travel to Sanctuary, or I'm in another location and I come back to Sanctuary, and I think especially when I fast travel, it unloads all the data it thinks it doesn't need. So, which drops me by the workbench. And then if I do whatever I need to do over there and run straight out, that will always disappear every single time. So the data is unloaded. So it gets unloaded, then it has to load it all back in. So you have your UGrids and whatever LOD past that. It has to load it back in. So
Hey. All right.
it like I say, it happens when I fast travel to Sanctuary, and I do that a lot because that's my primary home base, or where my character has to basically unload all their stuff. So that's the anomaly back to back. Now let me look at the data. Let's go take a look at the data real quick. I'll make a quick vid on that and see if that adds a little bit more information, or to try to help show see if it coincides, this anomalous thing actually coincides with that loose file stream. So give me a sec and I'll be right back.
Do you